Taapsee Pannu has now spoken up against the manner in which media trials are being conducted in Sushant's case, while an actual investigation is yet to find any conclusive results. A section of the media continues to accuse Rhea Chakraborty of multiple offences and portray her as the prime suspect in Sushant Singh Rajput's case. While conspiracy theories, allegations and accusations have created a murky web around Sushant Singh Rajput's demise from the time it was reported, perhaps swayed by the demand for justice and Sushant's father filing an FIR against Rhea, naming her the main accused in the case, she has been facing tremendous backlash, negativity and accusations from the media, a section of whom have already chosen a side or assumed her guilty without conclusive evidence linking her to the actor's demise. The CBI, the Enforcement Directorate and the Narcotics Control Bureau are all conducting an investigation into Sushant Singh Rajput's case. But this hasn't prevented tremendous negative reporting and allegations against Rhea, who has called herself Sushant's live-in girlfriend. After the actor gave 2 interviews in her defense, there was also an objection from the Press Council of India about journalistic norms being violated during the reporting of Sushant's case. The PCI has said, the media should adhere to the norms of journalistic conduct in covering cases under investigation and is advised not to carry out its own parallel trial. Now, actors like Taapsee Pannu and Lakshmi are now raising their voices against the manner in which Rhea's guilt has been assumed by the press. Actor Lakshmi Manchu has released a statement where she criticized the trial by media, and now Taapsee Pannu has shared her statement supporting Lakshmi's stand. Lakshmi had written in her statement, "I have complete trust in the judiciary system and all the agencies that are involved in bringing justice to Sushant. But until then, can we restrain ourselves from being evil and cruel person and her entire family without knowing the facts? I can only imagine the pain the entire family is going through with these so-called media trials. If something like this happened to me, I would want my colleagues to stand up for at least the ones who know me to say back off, hang on, leave her alone, and I ask all of you to do the same. Back off, hang on, leave her alone until the entire truth is officially released." Taapsee, who was attacked earlier by actor Kangana Ranaut, who has been running an online campaign supposedly seeking justice for the actor, also shared Lakshmi's post and wrote on her social media page, "I didn't know Sushant on a personal level, nor do I know Rhea. But what I know is it only takes to be a human to understand how wrong it is to overtake judiciary to convict someone who isn't proven guilty. Trust the law of the land for your sanity and the deceased sanctity." While the request for restraint and allowing the official agencies to carry out a fair investigation may be well-intentioned, a politician has now responded to Taapsee's post claiming that if not for the media keeping up the pressure on the government and supporting Sushant's family, the allegedly botched probe would have never given the actor justice. His post said, "With due respect, Taapsee ji, it is because of the ceaseless and determined efforts of the media that led to a ray of hope for the grieving family of SSR. This cunning Maharashtra government has already botched up the probe, declaring it as suicide. CBI, ED, NCB probing the case. Soon expect justice." Justice and closure are what Sushant's family and his fans are seeking too. But one hopes that in the process of getting Sushant justice, the lives and mental health of others who were known to him are not damaged irreparably.